Hi everyone, it's Judy. Welcome back to Rose Lane. This is just going to be a short little video. I received a package from Your Creative Studio today, and I wanted to do the unboxing. Now, I'm going to say this. I just did a video with it, and by accident I deleted it. So I repackaged everything, but you'll see that it had been opened. And so I'm just going to redo the video, obviously. So we'll just take it out of the envelope, and we're going to go through this as if we're doing it for the first time, but I had already slit the box and opened all the little packages. So we're just going to do it again. So it's Your Creative Studio, and Your Creative Studio is like a crafting subscription, and they send you a box like this. You can buy them individually. You can buy them by subscription, have them sent every month. Or choose which ones you want. This one was from their October of last year, and it was called Bake, which is what's on here. There's more than just baking, it's food related. So let me take this out. I'm trying to take it out without dumping it because I've torn the paper already, so I don't want it to just dump all over. So it was packaged very prettily, like that, without the tear. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. Let me turn it this way. And we'll start with what's on top. And this is a stamp here. So I think you can probably, I hope, see the stamp. I hope you can see that. It's got a hand, like a waiter's hand with a covered dish on there. So that's that in here. Actually, you know what? I think I'll just sort of leave them out as we go. Let me move this over. And we'll kind of do it that way. This one is also a stamp. And this is a piece of cheesecake. I don't know how well you can see that. The cherry on top of it. So there's that one. And then this was a little roll of washi tape in a pumpkin and natural color. I'm gonna, you know what, I'll stand that up between the two. Hopefully that's all in frame so you can see that. And let's see here. This has a bunch of different food related tags or yeah, like cards in it. Some of it is vellum, like so. Okay. So all food related. These are vellum. Here. Oops, I've got two here. Hang on. There we go. This one's pretty. I've seen stuff like this in old recipe books. So that's pretty. All right, and then these are not card, but paper. So they're just white on the back. So they're paper that you can put down. Oops, this one's upside down. This looks Russian, almost like Russian cookies. A very American Coca-Cola. So I remember this too is an Oreo cookie ad. I think there's a little girl like on the other side in the old ads. And this is an old Dr. Pepper with like for ice cream sodas, I guess. So we have those. Then here we have, and these, some of these are going to be harder to see because they're, well, I can turn them over. They're stickers. So here looks like she's hanging over a refrigerator door, trying to keep cool. Some cheese and wine on that one. I'm not sure how I'm looking at this one. Oh, here we go. Some cakes in here. What's this cute little one? Oh, Moxie. I know somebody who likes that. A couple people will like it, actually. More Coca-Cola. Then this lady with the coffee. And I'm not sure what. I'm not thinking maybe it could be coffee or tea or something. I can't quite read it, but cupcake. I think, or some kind of souffle. And this one's a little dark. It's hard to see, but it's a cat. Looks like he's eating a French fry. There's some French fries down here. It's a cat. So there's those, and then there's a bunch of them. There's a hamburger with from Burger Chef. A little bit of fruit. June Fun Days. I'm not sure. Sunbeam. So that would be the bread. Ooh, this one looks good. That's like a sort of an ice cream soda or something. So I'm not going to go through all of them. I'll just kind of watermelon, try to flip them over and just kind of give you an idea. There's a lot of things in here that you can use. A refrigerator, lady in the refrigerator. So we have all of that. I'm just going to stick them to the side. Here's some more little, try to get, there we go. These are also stickers. This is breads, different types of breads. Round loaves of bread. These look like, anybody remember making Bisquick biscuits? That's what that looks like to me. There's some loaves of bread here, croissants, just all different kinds of breads in here, and danishes or something like that. So we have those here. I'm just gonna scoot these over a little bit more and put those there. And then there's this little package. It's like a little notebook. And this is Time Machine on the front. And it's not necessarily food. This is fairy tales, some kind of skiing, St. Nicholas, August, it's like fairies. So just different, Robitussin, 42 golden hits. So this isn't really, this one, Harper's Bazaar, is not related to food per se. There might be a few in here, but they're like old advertisements, piece of newspaper. Yeah, some of them are very, very old. Some of them are much more recent. So we have that in there. Now that I've done that, it doesn't want to stay down. Try to make it stay down a little bit. Okay, and over here we have, take this out of the package if I can figure it out. Gotta be smarter than the package. Here we go. These are stamps. I'll be right back in frame in a minute, guys. There we go. These are kind of hard to see because of the plastic, but they're cling stamps. I'm gonna try to pull one out here. Well, actually, pull it out, you can't see the thing. So you can't see the picture because the picture's on the plastic. So let me try to get it. Kind of hard to see them, but this is like a chef with pizza pies or something. This is another chef with a mixing bowl. This is, it says bake the world a better place, and a couple of oven mitts here. This is another chef with a frying pan. These are spoons and forks and ladles and spatulas, and this one says food is memories down here. So all food related pieces there. I'll put that over there. And then this is some stickers, and they're rolling pin stickers, if I can get one to come up. I don't want to like pull it off. I just want to show you that these are like vellum stickers on there. And then over here we have, these are rub-on transfer stickers. I don't know if they're all the same, so let's try opening, you know, if all the pages are the same. So let's open that. It's a little spatula for rubbing them on. Okay, let's see. I think they are all the same. So this is sourdough bread, sandwich and bread. This says choco cookies. Oh no, they're not the same. Okay. And there's like a pitcher and some canisters and some flowers and eggs and little bits and pieces. Here's cake plate, a tea kettle, another, this is a little lady holding a pie, strawberry jam, another teacup. So they are different. And then this one is some of the same things, but in reverse, and some other different things on it as well. So we have those, which are very bright and colorful. I'm going to sit back down. Let me get rid of this because it's reflecting too much light. This is some kind of a tissue paper. Where's my side here to open? Here it is. Okay, I think it's here. Oh, there it is. Okay. Try to get this out. Well, I'll leave 2 and I'll just take the 1 out. So we have this tissue paper. It's got wheat, like a wheat stalk. It looks like a sack or something here. Rolling pin, cutting board, French loaf bread, the chef's hat here in the middle. So I'm going to try to kind of point it this way and maybe you can see it without the glare. So we have that one there. I'll just move the rest over. There's a few pieces in that cellophane envelope. And let's see, in here we have some cards. Okay. Oh, there's some stickery. Yeah, there's stickers. So that looks like a kind of a crocus here. There's some words. It says sweet scented, I think. Something like that. There's another one like that. Here's probably an herb, I'm guessing. Like a cooking herb. I can't identify it, but here's some stamps. These are mushrooms. There's a couple of tickets here. This looks Chinese. Some round cutouts. So we have that. Here's another one in here. So we have those and some botanical. I think there's 2 there. And then here, this is like a druggist's label on this one. So there's different labels here. Druggist, mushrooms, little tags, just small tags, or well, this would be like a tag, but these would be like labels from a small jar or something. So we have those, and then we have these little like writing tags, backing paper or something, and then another sort of, I guess this would be like a clothing tag or something like that. There's a date and item and price, something that's, I would say it was old, but it's got a barcode on it, so it wouldn't be old. So we have all of those in here. Get all of these together. Okay. Put these back up. Oh, there's another one of those little crocuses or something in there. So I'm just going to put those back up here. Okay, and then is there anything else? Oh, yeah, well, how about the big one on the bottom? Okay, so in here we have, come on. All right. So here we have some individual pages. I think that might, no, some of it looks like it might be vellum. So some of these are really pretty. These are very, very nice. Oh, and look, it goes with the washi tape. So we have those. These are really pretty. So very nice pieces. I'm hoping these are showing up in the, yeah, it is, in the camera. Sit back down again. Okay. And well, I guess this is on thicker paper. So same batch, I think, but the paper is thicker this time than the first round. Like so. So that's the same grouping. And now here's another grouping. This feels like sticker paper, actually. I think this is a sticker. Yep, so this is on sticker paper. So we have that. So it's the same designs on, so far, what, 3 different types of paper. We have a thinner paper, like a very thin copy paper, then something slightly thicker, maybe something like a 32-pound. Then this is on sticker sheets, and then this one is the vellum. You can see my fingers through it, I think. So then this is the vellum pieces. So you can see the lady through this one. So very, very pretty. Very, very nice. Very nice. So you get all kinds of stuff in these subscription boxes. Lots of things to use, little stickers and stamps and all kinds of things. So I just wanted to show you all of that. I can't even find everything that I just pulled out of here. There's quite a bit, but you can see there's a lot to the box. So anyway, that is the unboxing of this was October 2022, which was called Bake, and I do believe it is still available on Your Creative Studio. So let me see if I can find, I know if you type in Your Creative Studio, it goes there, but I don't think the website address is actually, when it comes up, it's got like abbreviations. It's got just some letters of the name. But when I looked it up originally a while back, I just typed in Your Creative Studio in the search bar, and it came up. So not a problem. And she has some really, really, really nice stuff. So anyway, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you consider going over to her website and having a look and seeing what it is she has, and maybe giving a little support to her as well. Lots of goodies to play with, guys. So that's it for this one. So until next time, be blessed, be happy, and be safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.